Hey, it's Alicia, and I'm starting a new project, Vogue 9189. Come along for the ride. Thanks for joining me. So this is a vintage pattern, Vogue 9189, originally designed in 1960. See here, you have a pants. They are kind of long-winded up in here. There's a lot of room in the crotch area. And they are narrow pants. I'm doing view D, as you can see. Let's go. And of course, this is my fabric choice. I've started on the pants, and like I always do, I base to see if I'm going hand base at that to see if I'm going in the right direction. This is just a cotton fabric, and it probably came from Fabric Model. Yeah, Fabric Model, I believe. And it's just 100% cotton with little small polka dots this time. And this pattern also has pockets, a side zipper, and a button. And so right now I'm just working on the dots front and back of the pant. And so this is the pattern V9189. I completed all the dots. Front and back. And started working on the pockets. And the left side is where the zipper goes. I got my zipper in. Not quite finished. And here is the pocket. That's the front. And this is your back. So moving along from that, I'm making another mood pattern bucket hat. This is the one that I made before. I aligned it. And put a little ribbon around it. So it looks like that. So I'm making the bucket hat out of denim. I've started it and also put my interfacing on it, and I'm lining it with this color lining. And I'm doing this particular hat here for my sister, as she wants the gold top stitching thread instead of a silver or gray. So here's a quick update on the dress, and I have a little clip that I'm going to show you in just a second, but I wanted you to see it while it's here. It's not finished, of course, because a big collar goes in front of this, but I finally got it to where I need it to be, and I'm just waiting and working along with it, see how the seams are all lined up the way they're supposed to be. And of course, this is just basted. And guys, thank you for supporting the channel. We are doing just fine. I would like to be at 2,000 or 3,000 in the next 3 or 4 months. I know that's a lot to ask for, but it's a part of my goals. I'd like to become monetized and continue showing and sharing my journey with you all. I appreciate you all. And don't forget to play the sewing game. May's sewing game is up, and I'll show you. I'll insert that as well. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the clip.